to Turtle Logo lesson number 5, pen up and down. In this lesson, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using a new block to actually move the turtle around but not leave any trail behind it. So as always, we need to start by grabbing our show turtle block so that we can actually have the turtle showing up on the screen first. Once the turtle is there, we're then going to take our turtle and move it forward. We've done this before. So when you move the turtle forward, it leaves a trail behind. We know how to change the color even, but sometimes you might not want to actually leave a trail. Maybe you need to move the turtle to a different location on the screen, but not leave a trail behind it. So what do you do there? So we have a new block this time called Set Turtle's Pen Up. And what that does is, as the name implies, it actually lifts the pen up so that the turtle doesn't leave a trail. You'll notice though, it moved forward and it looks like it hasn't really changed anything, but remember, order is important. We show the turtle first, we move the turtle forward 25 steps while the pen is down, and then we've lifted it up. If you want to see what will happen when it's lifted up, you have to have some other block after it's been lifted up. So what we're going to do is we're just going to duplicate our block of turtle moving forward, slide that in, and now after the pen has been lifted up, it should move forward 25 steps, and you can see here there is no line that was left behind. So besides lifting up, you can also lift it back down because maybe you actually want it to show up again after you've stepped forward a few spaces. So you can actually use the same block, Set Turtle's Pen Up, but you'll notice once again we have this little drop down menu, and this time you can either use it down, so it'll start drawing again, or there's this option called Erase. So if Erase is on and you go over the exact same spot where you have left a mark, that trail will be erased. So you can use that one as well. So we're going to set the pen down, we're going to duplicate our move forward block and put that back in. So now he should draw a trail for 25 steps, leave 25 steps empty, and then draw 25 steps again, which is what our code has asked the turtle to do. So now we're just going to practice doing some things that we've done before, but incorporating our new skill of lifting the pen up and down. I'm just going to move these blocks. I'm just actually going to delete them for now. And we're going to follow through these steps. So we're going to grab our set pen color. I'm going to change it to blue. We're going to move forward 25 steps. We're going to turn the corner right by 90 degrees. We're going to set the pen up so that it's not drawing anymore. We're going to move forward again. This time we're going to take 50 steps. We're going to turn a corner again. This time we're going to go left 90 degrees. We're going to change the color of our pen to green. We're going to drop the pen again so that it starts to leave a trail once more. Down. And then we're finally going to take 25 more steps forward. There we go. So if we follow through with our long list of instructions, the turtle shows up, we change the pen color to blue, we draw a straight line for 25 steps, then we turn a corner, we lift the pen up, we move forwards, but since we turned the corner right, we're moving down 50 steps, then we actually turn left, so we turn back left, so we're now moving in this direction again, and we put the pen down and we draw our green line for 25 steps. So we're using all of the blocks that we've learned up till this point. So success, now you know how to lift the turtle's pen up and down. Your job this time is I'd like you to do the following. Move the turtle in some direction, change its color to trail color to something different than white, make it turn either left or right, lift the pen up, move again, choose some different either forwards or backwards and different steps than 25, put the pen back down, move again, once again, forwards, backwards, any step you want, and then finally say, I lift my pen, I can lift my pen. So these are the steps that I'd like you to write for your own program.